Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. So for today, may mga dumating tayong package and one of it is yung inaabangan natin ngayon and the reason why meron tayong video today. Pero bago pala ako mag-start mag-unbox, I would like to thank Althea Ambida for sending this package earlier this morning. Thank you for this coffee, fresh from Batangas. Before we start unboxing these items, I would like to have a reminder for you guys na before kayo magbukas, disinfect muna sa labas ng bahay nyo yung product, and if na-unpack nyo na, just disinfect yung box or yung item para syempre safe din tayong lahat. Last week, bumili ako ng ring light kasi ang gamit ko ngayon is Jake Photo na 150 watt LED light, and I will try if this ring light will work for YouTube setup. And this light cost me around, I think, less than 500. Plus, shipping fee siguro naging 520 siya. Pero the product itself is less than 500. Ring fill light. Let's see if okay siya for our YouTube setup. Later on this video, check natin kung ano yung itsura niya pag na-setup na. Kaya, huwag kayong aalis. So right off the bat, makikita mo na agad yung ring light. Ayan. So before natin siya buksan, just spray ko lang ng alcohol. So meron na siyang perfect to sa mga nag-uumpisa kasi meron na siyang phone holder. So kung phone lang yung gamit mo, okay na okay siya. It comes with a light stand plus meron pang phone holder. So ito yun, yung phone holder. Ayan. Ayan siya. Tapos meron ding ball head na kasama, which is I think para to sa light stand. Tapos after this one, ito na yung ring light with USB powered yung light. There you go. Ayan yung ring light. So meron siyang mount dito, shoe mount. I think pwede kang maglagay ng something dito na shoe mount or pwedeng itong phone holder. So iikot mo siya dyan. Tapos, ayan, dito mo na ilalagay yung phone mo to record yourself. So, that's for the ring light. And for the stand na free, guys, for less than 500 pesos, I think sulit to. Let's see lang mamaya kung okay yung power nung light niya to light our setup. So, ito yung light stand. So, may lock siya doon. Para mag-extend ang alam ko. Yan. Luluwagan nyo. Tapos, there you go. Nag-extend na siya. And, I think, matangkad naman siya. Ito yung pinaka matangkad na kaya niyang gawin. And i-setup na natin. Check natin kung papasa ba siya for a YouTube lighting setup for beginners. Ayun, na set up na natin ngayon yung ring light, and so far steady naman siya, and I think tatagal naman. Tapos meron pala siyang control dito. Sabi ko nga USB yung cord niya, kaya isasaksak natin siya siguro pwede siya sa charger ng phone ko. Papatayin ko tong gamit kong 150 watt na LED light. So papalit ko tong ring light, then let's see kung okay. Yon, so right now we're using the ring light as our main key light. I'm recording now sa phone ko and using an external mic for the audio. I think sa lakas ng ilaw niya, okay siya for your vlogging setup sa bahay. And ang kagandahan nito, meron siyang control kung ano yung temperature. So meron siyang warm like this one, pero I don't think meron din siyang mixed ng cool and warm temperature. Ayun, may pahinaan siya, meron din siyang pampalakas ng ilaw. So if you're trying to vlog naman for YouTube, kanina kasi trinay ko yung for IG or for Facebook or for if nagti-TikTok ka, yan, pwede mong gamitin yung portrait setup. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka, use landscape, and I'm using my rear camera right now. So kasi mas maganda yung sensor ng rear camera natin. Kaya ayun, I think better siya instead of using your fluorescent light sa bahay, which nagkakas ng shadow sa ilalim ng mata natin. Ang problema ko lang, since naka-eyeglass ako, nagkakas ng bilog sa mata ko, may glare. So, you may want to remove your eyeglass if you're recording in a ring light setup. Pero I think approved siya for a basic YouTube setup, which is kung kunwari nag-umpisa ka pa lang pero gusto mong i-step up yung game mo may konti. So you can use your phone, then another phone for audio recording, then this less than 500 pesos na ring light for your YouTube channel. So there you have it guys, nakita nyo nga yung performance ng ring light na binili natin for less than 500 pesos. I think okay siya kasi kung i-compare ko naman siya dito sa light na gamit ko, medyo malaki naman yung difference, and I think hindi just na i-compare sila kasi nga iba-iba yung use naman. And right now, gamit ko siya as fill light. Yan. Kung mapapansin nyo, hard shadow dito. Then pag inopen ko siya dyan, yan, medyo okay naman and maganda, may highlights dito. Or pwede nyo siyang gamitin. Pwede kayo bumili ng dalawang ganito for, yan. Pwede nyo siyang gamitin for backlight. Like tong meron tayo ngayon. Yan. Nagkakaroon ng highlights yung likod ko. Tapos pwede nyo pa ibahin yung kulay kung gusto mo medyo warm or medyo combine or yan. Pero I think okay yung warm. Yan. Yan. Merong ilaw sa likod or pwedeng ilawan yung likod mismo. Guys, for 500 pesos, I think okay to. Sulit na sulit. Kasi kung meron kang ganitong kalakas na ilaw tapos wala ka ng budget for your fill light or your rim light, you can buy sa Lazada ng less than 500 ring light na to. And for beginners naman na gagamit ng phone for their vlogging, so nakita nyo kanina yung quality. Basta lang malapit yung mukha nyo sa mismong setup, and kung naka-landscape naman, make sure na malapit din sa mukha nyo. And I think okay naman siya. And for camera use naman, kunwari you're using an entry-level camera or DSLR, just put the lens inside the ring light, and yun, dun nyo ilagay yung lens nyo, dun nyo ilusot para hindi maging harang yung ring light sa setup nyo. And yun, make sure na malapit lang sa inyo yung ring light, kasi yun yung napansin ko, hindi siya ganong kalakasan, and hindi ko alam kung nakalagay ba dito yung ilang watts. Walang nakalagay kung ilang watts tong ilaw niya. So, I think that's the end of this video. Sana may natutunan kayo. If naisipan nyo mag-upgrade ng inyong lighting setup sa bahay nyo, yun, 500 pesos sa Lazada, and I think that's okay. That's fine. Once again, this is Jeff Geronimo, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, just click that like button, and if you want to learn more about editing, photography, videography, just click that subscribe and bell button now. See you on my next video. Bye. Peace.